Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to auto update apps over Wi-Fi only. And now let's dive right in. Now to auto update or update your apps on your phone over Wi-Fi only, first open up a Play Store app. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option over here at the bottom of the screen, just above help and feedback. Tap on settings and you land on this interface where the second option you can see there is the network preferences. Tap on the network preferences option over here, which is the second one, and these three options will appear where the second option it says auto update apps. Tap on the second option where it says auto update apps, and this kind of interface will appear. Now you can see the three or the four options over here where it says update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Second one says update with limited amount of mobile data, and the third one says update over Wi-Fi only. Now in order to update your apps on your phone over Wi-Fi only, make sure the third option where it says update over Wi-Fi only is chosen. By doing that, guys, all of your apps which require an update will get updated from the Play Store through Wi-Fi only. So with that being said, guys, this is how to auto update apps over Wi-Fi only. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.